and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin with my amazing son, Dr. Jared Shatkin. We're very excited about what's going on at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T in 2026. We're starting it off with an amazing webinar next Saturday, January 31st, and we would love all of you to attend. This is a beginner's course, but it's also going to be talking about a lot of the new and exciting improvements that Shatkin F.I.R.S.T is making in our laboratory, in our case planning, and all the new exciting things that we're going to be doing in 2026. But also next Monday morning, we're going to have an amazing, exciting announcement that you don't want to miss. So make sure you tune in next Monday for that exciting announcement. But Dr. Jared and I have been case planning your cases every morning, and we're here to help you with your case plans. And Jared, tell them about your idea of this video recording that they can have if they want.
Yeah, so upon request, I can walk you guys through each and every case that I plan, and I'll walk you guys through why I'm picking a certain implant or why I'm not picking a certain implant, and kind of give you guys different options as well. So yeah, we could do that. It's kind of just sticking up with the times, being able to walk you guys through each and every plan. So when you go into a case, you're feeling your most confident, you have the stent there, you're ready to go, and you have everything done for you already.
And you're going to show them on the 3D image on the computer with their CT scan, where we merge it with the model and your x-ray, so you'll be able to really visualize the case before you see the patient.
Yep, I'll do some bone mapping there, show you guys bone density, why I'm putting in a certain area, why I'm not putting in a certain area. I can talk you guys through all that, or you could just continue to do it the way you guys are doing it if you're comfortable with how your stents are going.
Well, the best thing about this, Jared, is we're not charging them anything for that either.
Yeah.
That's all included. All you have to do is request it on the lab slip, or if you have a call into Bob or one of our great staff members, and William or any of the other people at the office, they'll be happy to make sure Jared or I do a video recording for you so that you have that plan right in front of you. You can review it the night before surgery. Sometimes when I'm doing a really difficult surgery, I want to spend a little time the night before and review the x-rays, review the case plan, and then the next morning I'll look it over again right before the patient comes in the room, and then we'll be ready to go. So that's the idea. So you have a lot of tools at your fingertips and you have a perfect result. And that's what we're all about here at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. I will tell you that many of you may remember my father. I know he passed away about 15 years ago, but he always emphasized that we've got to do everything as perfectly as possible. We're not perfect, we're human beings, but all we can do is give our very best effort every time. So we're here to help you give that very best effort. And we look forward to working with you day in and day out at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. So again, we have a great webinar coming up January 31st, Saturday morning from 9 to 1 Eastern Time. If you're on the West Coast, join us later on. It'll be recorded, and you can watch it the next day if you want to. But if you're able to wake up early, please join us. It'll be 6 a.m. your time, but we'll be here at 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. It'll be a 4-hour course. You'll get 4 hours of CE credit, and it's complimentary. There's no cost for this. So you're going to have 4 hours of CE credit, which everybody needs continuing education hours. So there's no reason not to join us for the 4-hour program. And not only are you going to get great education, but you're going to also hear about some of the really exciting things we're doing here at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. We look forward to seeing you on the next Monday Morning Minute. And don't forget, next week we have a big announcement, huge announcement. Right, Jared?
Yeah, big announcement, that's for sure.
We'll see you next week on the Monday Morning Minute.